This video is about IMP topics in orthopedics. Okay, I've listed few important topics from which you can expect almost 3 out of 5 questions. Okay, if they will ask 5 questions from this subject, then definitely you will get 3 MCQs from the topics which I have listed below. Okay, so please, I request you to do first this topic from ortho. Do it by heart. Okay, with and do it in depth. Okay, because depth knowledge is required uh, for solving MCQs. Okay, so the topics are bone tumors. Okay, bone tumor, this is the most IMP topic in orthopedics, because um, they are asking this topic. I mean, almost in each and every exam, they will ask one bone tumor. Okay, so and the most important tumor in this is giant cell tumor and Ewing sarcoma. You can expect question from these two topics, and this both is must to do. You cannot go to the exam hall without doing this. Okay, just do the image. Okay, do the image, see the image, both patho image as well as in X-ray. Okay, and age. Okay, Ewing sarcoma occurs in young children. Okay, it occurs in children. And giant cell tumor after bone fusion. Okay, this occurs after bone fusion. Okay, so in this way you can reach the diagnosis and then read about the treatment. This much is enough. Okay, for bone tumors. Image is important because they will ask you the image, and they will ask you that what is the treatment or what is the diagnosis, what is the next step. um, the questions like this. Okay, then fracture, stages of fracture. This is easy. Okay, so yeah, they will ask stages of fracture, and all the fractures are important, but these are the most IMP. You cannot leave this. Clavicle fracture, hip, forearm fractures, in forearm, Monteggia, Galeazzi, Cooley's fracture. Okay, these three are very important. And supracondylar fracture in children. Okay, this is the most IMP question. They are asking this frequently, so do it. And scaphoid fracture. Okay, yeah, they will show you the image, or they can just simply give you the case scenario that there is a patient coming with the history of fall, and now for the patient has a tenderness in anatomical snuff box region. And what is the mostly diagnosis? Mostly it is a scaphoid fracture. Okay, then next topic is avascular necrosis, and in this you need to remember the names, okay, which are given, and mostly hip is important in this. Then in pediatric you need to do this 3 topics: DDH, CT, EB, rickets, image, and skiffy. This is also IMP question. Okay, DDH occurs in girls, CTV mostly in boys. Okay, rickets in malnourished children. Okay, skiffy, they will give the history of a fat teenager. Okay, these are the buzz words with which you can solve the questions. Okay, then other is osteoporosis. Treatment is the most IMP one. Okay, do the treatment part. We all know drug of choice is bisphosphonates. Then we can give vitamin D, calcium, and all that, but this is the drug of choice, so don't forget this. Okay, then other is a hyper and hypoparathyroidism, then Paget's if you want, and you can also do this also. Okay, now this is very much important. They will ask you this question, and they are asking frequently, so expect the question from this topic. Table for serum changes with metabolic bond disease. Okay, you need not to do metabolic bond disease in detail, just do the table, okay, with regards to this changes, with regards to like vitamin D, PTH, calcium, alkaline. Now how they will ask is, they will give a scenario that the patient, so and so patient, and there is increase in alkaline phosphate, and this all will be normal. Okay, so yeah, it's about Paget's disease. Okay, so they will give you the scenario like this. If it is hyperparathyroidism, then they will give you that, yeah, PTH is increased, calcium is increased or normal. Okay, vitamin D is decreased, phosphate is decreased. Okay, alkaline phosphate is raised. So this way you need to just diagnose. They will they mostly ask the diagnosis, so just do the table. There are 4 to 5 diseases. Okay, just make the table out of it, and if you want, then I can make that table for you. Just do tell me in comment section if you want, and please do subscribe and share, as it will motivate me for to make further videos. And thank you. See you in the next video.